Hi, today is the 8th of November and we will look at the indexes once again. I apologize for the very big gap between the other analysis and the videos and this one. I was basically very busy with my own trading and also with students. So was not able to get the time, but I will make it up very soon. So what we have been looking at, if you have been following our channel, was that we were in wave 1 of 5, then wave 2 of 5 was done with a double zigzag, and then we were looking for wave 3 to the upside. Now wave 3 actually took the form like this. There was this impulsive move for wave 1, then a flat correction for wave 2, and now wave 3 of 3 has started. Now as you know, an impulsive wave and especially wave 3 would have a lot of gaps, gap ups in its price action, and that is what you can see over here. There was a gap up here, then another gap here, another gap here, another gap here, another gap here, another gap here. So all the gaps are going on, and therefore this is highly indicative that this is likely wave 3 going up. Now if this is wave 3 of 3, then we should see even further acceleration to the upside with a pretty volatile action on the upside. So we are actually positioned long on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty and individual stocks for a very long time now. And obviously this was a choppy session here in September and October. But then as soon as this wave started, there has been no looking back. So what are our targets for this wave up? So the first target for this Nifty wave 3 up is 1950. So that would be the minimum that we would like hope for and aim for. But if Nifty powers through this level with great force, then we are very well set for a target of around 21248. So 21248 or 21250 round figure should be achieved pretty soon. So that is what is our lookout. Now to confirm that, we need to again see a lot of momentum to the upside and further gaps. We obviously are training our stop losses, and our stop losses as of now on the daily chart of the Nifty are somewhere around this level, which is like 17,782 on positional trades. So 17,780 should hold on closing basis, and then as the Nifty moves up, we will obviously bring up our stop losses. So the markets are very exciting. Markets should be very rewarding. So that is about the Nifty. Now this is the Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty chart is actually very clear. It is much clearer than Nifty. If you see from this 2020 low, the Bank Nifty went up in clear 5 waves to this high, right? So we will label that as wave 1. So 1 and 2 of Bank Nifty has been done. Then this pretty sharp rise again in 5 waves. You can see that very clearly. This is wave 1 of 3, then another flat correction for wave 2 of 3, and wave 3 of 3 has begun. This should take Bank Nifty again shooting up pretty sharply. So let's go and check on the weekly chart. What does it show? So the weekly chart of Bank Nifty shows that we are in for a very sharp rise from these levels. And what are the levels we will look for? So if we were to project wave 1 and from bottom of wave 2, a reasonable target is 48,000, and a definite target, and I think a very probable target of 57,800. So we are looking at around 48,000 and 57,000. So Bank Nifty is very strong, and I would urge all participants to be long on the Bank Nifty with adequate stop losses and be there positionally. Don't try to be cute that you'll get 100 points, 200 points and then buy another dip and all that. Forget about that. Just be long on this index, and obviously you would have to have stop losses. Where are our stop losses placed? Our stop losses on the Bank Nifty are very interesting, easy to see. They are around these levels. I would say anything around this gap. So that will be 40,181. So that is 1800 points down on a positional basis, not on an intraday or short term. On a positional basis, I am pretty much willing to be long if Bank Nifty does not go below 4180. But obviously once these levels go up, the stop loss will be brought up further. So these are exciting times in the markets, and I hope all of you are enjoying this. And please leave your comments below the video, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed, and do click the bell icon, because we may be producing further videos on individual stocks very soon, and you will get a notification as soon as they are done. That's all for today. Thank you and bye-bye.